For those of you who know nothing about gamelan, it's a Javanese percussion orchestra. So Java is a little island in Indonesia, and we got our gamelan 19 years ago. It came over on a very big boat, and it's definitely a different sound world to what we have over here. A lot of people find it very relaxing, it's very meditative, it's a long-lasting sound, and the great thing about it is that you can come at it with no knowledge whatsoever about how to play or what it is, and be surrounded by people you don't know, but by the end of it you'll be playing a traditional Javanese piece, which is definitely something very exciting to be able to do. So we offer lots of workshops for all kinds of different groups, but our school's programme runs from years 3 up to university, and everybody gets a full-on hands-on experience for the 2 hours that they're here. I think I talk for about 5 minutes at the start, but the rest of it is 2 hours of playing. And you don't have to have any musical experience to be able to do that. It's all taught as you go along, and it's all very accessible, so it doesn't matter what your skill set is, you'll definitely be able to play for 2 hours straight, which is very exciting.